U.S. Space Command. All right, supposedly U.S. Space Command has said that this rocket has already entered the atmosphere and has already crash landed over the Indian Ocean. So I'm guessing that was an hour ago? I didn't think it was going to enter the atmosphere for another couple hours. But apparently, where's this at?
Keeping a close eye on the social medias, seeing any other videos that are coming in from the region of that re-entry, but absolutely some incredible shots of the core stage coming back in.
It's July 30th, 2022, 12:54 p.m.
If you guys have questions, you can keep sending those to us in the chat. We'll be answering those live
Where
to the
did
best
it?
of our ability. Make sure you take
So,
us out the launch pad
Malaysia.
so you can see those questions as they come in.
The guy was saying earlier that the chances of it hitting near Malaysia was very slim, but then I guess it did. Let's see if I can find something else. Alright, so now here we go with this one. Got some videos of it, supposedly. So where... That's nowhere near Malaysia, is it? Very strange, but I guess it's already hit. It's already re-entered the atmosphere and it's already, I guess, landed in the Indian Ocean. What is this? If this isn't anywhere near where it's supposedly... See what else we can find.
According to Celestrac, that's interesting. That's where it was at 12:45. Thank you, guys. So remember the video.
Wait a minute, 12:45 Eastern would have been 11:45. That's a little more than an hour ago, supposedly.
The videos that we're seeing are from this part of the
Malaysia.
island of Borneo.
Borneo.
But the re-entry happened.
See, it's always they can't get.
According to
there's
Space
always
Force,
controversy with this. Like the last
12:45 over the
last rocket, they said
So
it landed
it
here,
looks
and then
like
there was
what
other
happened
reports
is
that it was
around
there and here, there, and
that
everywhere. And now we got the same thing going.
Made re-entry.
So is it
Makes
here?
re-entry into the atmosphere.
Is it there?
And some of it breaks up, and the
Where?
debris keeps going in the sky, and
See, did it actually
people
crash
here,
land, or is it still?
apparently, saw the debris as it continued to fly through the sky. But according to Celestrac at 12:45, that's where it was when it made
More
re-entry.
controversy. Again, we're never
Hey,
really
thanks,
probably
that's
going to know
helpful.
for
Got it,
sure,
thank you.
unless we actually see some videos
Thank
that
you,
they can
Margaret Goff
confirm.
from Canada. That's very kind of you, Margaret Goff. I really appreciate it. Thank you also, Leonette Ashcraft.
There's another one. This one says we got 46 hours to go. Come on. But supposedly, I don't know. Doesn't seem right. Nothing seems right about this thing. I had a feeling that it was going to be all messed up. Another site showing, some video of the supposed re-entry. But then it shows here that it's still in the sky. Now we got another site here. It says we got 3 minutes. And of course they're just saying they're guessing. I don't know what this video is. What in the world? So how do you know? You're never really gonna know, are we? And now we got this one, SpaceX missions. And this one says we got 18 minutes to go. Well, which one is it? Did it already? And then they show videos like of something. See, this doesn't make any sense to me. How can they have so many different channels showing different things. All right, here's another one.
PRC, People Republic of China. Further
So,
details of the reentries. Technical aspects such as potential debris.
yeah, totally confused about this. This one had the countdown of the 2 minutes. Now they rolled it over for another 30 minutes. So it's like, what's going on?
Uncontrolled return to Earth raises concern from BBC.
Oh,
The latest launch was last Sunday.
yeah. Confirmed observation, supposedly over here. Apparently, the debris field is over here, which I guess is off of Malaysia? So 1645 UTC. That would have been what, 12:45 Eastern, and then 11:45 a.m. Central Time, which would have been like 2 hours ago. Really? I don't know. See, I was counting on their predictions from yesterday that it was supposed to be at least a half an hour to 2 more hours before it was supposed to re-enter. Oh well, I guess we're not going to find out anything till later and just have to trust that this is what really happened. Oh my goodness, it's Starlink. Maybe they just blew up a bunch of Starlink satellites and claimed it was the rocket re-entering. I don't know anymore. What do you guys think? This is nuts. All right, I'm gonna leave it at that. I can't confirm one way or the other if it re-entered or not. We have some video, but
Yeah, for a little more perspective,
I don't
I'll
know.
show you another article here.
All right, thanks for watching. God bless.